If you need to request a refund from Disney Plus, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before initiating a refund request, review Disney Plus' refund policy to confirm that your situation qualifies for a refund. Typically, subscriptions may be eligible for a refund within a specific time frame after purchase. Step 2. Log into your account. Visit the Disney Plus website or open the app and log into your account using your email and password. This will allow you to access your subscription details in account settings. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Billing or Subscription where you can find information about your current plan and payment history. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you determine that you are eligible for a refund, reach out to Disney Plus customer support. You can do this through their help center, via chat, or by phone. Provide them with your account details and explain your reason for requesting a refund. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your refund request, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Disney Plus. If you do not receive a response within a few days, consider following up with customer support to check on the status of your request. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with Disney Plus. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service for assistance.